OBS Studio versus CapCut. Which video editing software is better? Choosing the right editor can transform your video creation process without overwhelming complexity. OBS Studio offers live streaming power, while CapCut focuses on intuitive mobile editing. OBS Studio and CapCut serve different video editing needs. OBS Studio excels as a free open-source live streaming and recording tool, while CapCut is a user-friendly mobile app designed for quick, creative video edits. The main difference is live streaming versus mobile-focused editing. OBS Studio is a free, open-source software primarily used for live streaming and screen recording. It works by capturing video and audio from multiple sources such as webcams, screens, and microphones, allowing users to create professional broadcasts or recordings. Its strengths lie in its flexibility, extensive customization options, and support for plugins, making it ideal for content creators who want control over every aspect of their streams or recordings. OBS Studio supports multiple platforms including Windows, macOS, and Linux. However, its interface can be complex for beginners, requiring a learning curve to master scenes, sources, and settings. It lacks built-in advanced video editing features like transitions or effects found in dedicated editors. The ideal user is someone focused on live streaming, game capture, or multi-source recording who values customization over simplicity. CapCut is a mobile-first video editing app designed for easy and fast video creation. It offers a wide range of editing tools including trimming, transitions, filters, text overlays, and music integration, all optimized for touchscreen use. CapCut's strengths include its intuitive interface, quick access to creative effects, and seamless social media sharing options, making it perfect for casual creators and influencers who want to edit on the go. It supports both iOS and Android platforms. While CapCut is user-friendly, it does not support live streaming or advanced multi-source recording like OBS Studio. Additionally, its editing capabilities, while robust for mobile, are not as powerful as desktop software for complex projects. CapCut is ideal for users seeking a straightforward, creative editing experience for short-form videos, especially for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. When comparing OBS Studio and CapCut, the choice depends on your primary goals. OBS Studio shines in live streaming and multi-source recording scenarios, offering deep customization but requiring technical knowledge. It's suited for gamers, educators, and professionals streaming live content. CapCut, on the other hand, excels at quick, creative video editing on mobile devices, with easy-to-use tools and social media integration. It's perfect for influencers and casual users making short videos. OBS lacks built-in editing features, while CapCut does not support live streaming. If you need powerful live broadcast capabilities, OBS is the go-to. For fast, polished mobile edits with trendy effects, CapCut leads. The trade-off is complexity and platform. OBS is desktop and technical. CapCut is mobile and accessible. Choose OBS Studio if you need professional live streaming and multi-source recording with full control and you're comfortable with a steeper learning curve. Opt for CapCut if you want quick, creative video edits on your phone with easy sharing to social media. It's ideal for casual creators focused on short-form content without the complexity of desktop software. Both tools excel in their own domains.